Hey everyone, welcome back to this video discussing Midjourney and all of its amazing capabilities. So in this video we're going to discuss painting styles. So there's so many different painting styles out there, and I just wanted to show you some of them and how amazing they looked. So the topic I'm going to choose today is the Italian lakes. So me and my husband were actually looking on YouTube yesterday at where we'd love to go, where else in the world, and the Italian lakes are one of them. They look absolutely incredible. So we go and use our usual prompt, so /imagine prompt, and then I'm going to do water color, and then I'm going to do Italian lakes. So I'm going to do a couple. Okay, so let's do oil painting. Okay, let's do pop art. I think that might be quite fun. The pop art one, because it's normally so bright and everything. Let's do imagine prompt. Okay, let's do abstract. Abstract. Can't spell. Okay, and then should we try cubism as well? Let's see what that comes up. Okay. Cube. Italian lakes, amazing. Okay, and let's see what Midjourney brings up for us. Okay, amazing. So let's see what Midjourney has created for us. So we've got some watercolors here. Oh, wow. Oh my God, they look so amazing. Oh, I love those. Brilliant. Okay, oil painting. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. I love square 2. That just looks incredible. God, it looks so gorgeous. We did get married in Italy actually, so I do love it. Very beautiful place. Oh, wow. Oh my God. I love the pop art. Wow. Square 1. And I love the colours of square 2, that pink, like orangey sky. My goodness. You could get these printed and popped in a frame. They're just so fun and amazing. Okay, abstract. Let's see what we've got. Oh, it's very different. Oh, I quite like square 3. I think that looks really fun. Amazing. And cubism. Let's see what we've got. Oh, wow. They are so fun. They're amazing. So yeah, there's so many different painting styles that you can use to generate those really different images of, you know, exactly the sort of theme and vibe that you're after. So they're just some of them. So if this video has helped you, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, we do appreciate it so much, and it really does help our channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.